But since we are talking about banks, and of course, one of the biggest issues here, of course, are the stressed assets. Let's get you an ET Now exclusive, and we're picking up the lenders of Binani Cement have finally accepted Dalmia Bharat's offer. Neha Bothra is joining in live for more details. Neha, you've been on top of that story for a very, very long time. Congratulations, firstly, on getting the news break right. And now tell us, what's going to be, what's this deal going to look like, and what are the synergies involved here? And how much, what is it that the lenders are really looking forward to?
Thank you, Ruchi, for congratulating me on the story. But yes, ET Now has been on top of the story ever since Binani Cement was put on the block in July 2017. This is an asset test because remember, it's a deal pegged at over $1 billion. And we did tell you that Ultratech Cement and Dalmia Bharat had presented resolution plans that were neck and neck. It was a tough choice for lenders, I'm given to understand. Since morning, we have been bringing you all details about that crucial meeting that was scheduled today. In fact, we are told the meeting concluded just a while back, and lenders have opted for Dalmia Bharat's resolution plan. Dalmia Bharat, they say, was a higher bidder in the sense that they had 6,300 crore on the table for 80% stake. Even in face of Ultratech's bid, which was about 6,200 crore plus 20% equity to lenders. At this point, we are given to understand, as far as Binani Cement is concerned, this deal comes at a time when there has also been a lot of talk about the corporate guarantee, whether this would sour the deal between the lenders and the prospective buyers. All this has been put to rest. In fact, there were some reports doing rounds that Binani Cement also wants to join the race for the assets. But Binani Cement has put forward a point saying that should the proceeds be greater than what the loan due to banks is, the proceeds should be distributed to the promoters of the company, to the shareholders of the company. This is the contention that Binani Cement has, which was wrongly interpreted as Binani Cement wanting to be part of the race as far as buying the assets is concerned. For Dalmia Bharat, this is a very good win because do remember earlier they've bagged the assets of Murli Industries as well. Now Murli Industries combined with Binani Cement goes a long way as far as Dalmia Bharat's expansion plans in the cement space is concerned. With Murli Industries, they get access to the western markets, and now with the assets of Binani Cement, they get access to key markets like central India, that's Madhya Pradesh, and also western markets. So indeed a good deal coming in for Dalmia Bharat and also for the lenders of Binani Cement.
Absolutely, the lenders would be cheering finally, one resolution of the stressed asset that we are seeing here. Neha Bothra, many thanks for getting in all those details.